Welcome to Art's Outside Kitchen, where today we're gonna hang and smoke 2 chickens, and we're also gonna make cowboy caviar for our side dish. Enjoy. Hello YouTubers, here we're gonna do some roasted chicken on the Weber Smoky Mountain, and as you can see I've already seasoned them. So we're gonna do 2 chickens which have been halved, and we're gonna use the barbecue rub from Killer Hogs and the AP salt from Killer Hogs. You've seen me use it many times. I'm gonna go out there and get the Smoky Mountain started. Okay, I'm gonna get the fire started. Here we are. We got the 4 chickens in there. We're gonna leave them in there about an hour and a half until the temperature probe comes up to 165, and we'll go from there. I will be back, and we'll see how it turns out. Wish me luck. Okay, everybody, the chicken is hung. It's been cooking for half an hour. Now we're gonna give it a spray, just to keep it moist. This is just as beautiful as the ribs. I mean, I am amazed at how good this is coming out. And the fire has been around 250, almost 300. You're asking what am I spraying it with? Sorry for being rude. Yeah, I'm just spraying it with white wine. That's all.
White wine?
White wine.
Okay.
Okay. So here we go. Let me cover it again, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay. Guys, the sensor, the iGrill sensor is telling me that my chicken is at 149. So I'm gonna spray it again, but I just want you to take a look at how beautiful all of it is coming out. Just beautiful. Let me see if I can get squirt this for you. As you can see, I am squirting it. And the smell coming off of this, guys, whew, as I said many times, you would fight me for this. Let me come around. Here we go. We gotta also spray the back of this thing. Here we are. Just look at this, how beautiful it is. Very nice cook so far. So far, I'm very impressed with this method of cooking. As you can see, anywhere you put it, it's coming out nice. You guys have a good one. Okay, I got a temperature probe in the chicken, and it started beeping, so came out here to check the temperature, and as you can see, it's at 147. We needed to get to 165 in order for this chicken to be done, but it's far exceeded my my expectations today. I really recommend this method. Here we have our chicken. We pulled it out. We're gonna go ahead and barbecue it with this Rufus honey barbecue sauce, and I can't tell you guys how impressed I am with this hanging the chicken and cooking in this manner. It far exceeded my expectations, but here we are. We're pouring on the barbecue sauce, and we're gonna brush it on, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it back on the grill, let it get tacky, and then we'll pull it out and the chicken will be ready to go. So I'm hoping that you guys have enjoyed this method. I really highly recommend you use this hanging method. It was a lot of fun. Alrighty, the temperature is telling me probe that it's at 165, and check out this chicken. It is just gorgeous. I'm gonna pull it out for you guys and let you see what it's like. Alright, everybody, this is the way this chicken came out. It's been hung, it's been barbecued, got the barbecue sauce, and we're ready to take it inside and do our thing. I'm waiting for the boys to get here, and we're gonna have a feast. Have a good day, everybody. For our side dish, we're gonna make cowboy caviar, and here we have the bell peppers. So we have a yellow, a red, and an orange, and here we have them all cut up, getting ready. And here we go. We have all the ingredients all together, ready to make the dish. Ready. We are getting ready to make some Texas caviar, and the first ingredient is going to be some pinto beans, and then we're going to take some black beans and put it in the bowl, and then we're going to get 1 can of corn. And then we're going to go and put in the yellow bell pepper. Move the bowl a little bit so that we can put in the orange bell pepper. And now we're coming in with the red bell pepper and the purple onion. Also, we're going to incorporate our secret ingredient, which is the jalapenos. This will really give it a kick. It'll be nice and spicy. Everybody should like it. Now we're putting in the tomatoes. And a little bit of cilantro. With the cilantro. Give it a toss. Now we're going to come in with the dressing. Give it another mix again. And there we go. Texas caviar. Yum. Now we're going to put in some bell pepper. I'm sorry, we're going to put in some pepper. Put in some pepper just to give it some taste. Thank you again for joining us. Please subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed the recipes. Have a good day.